BlackRock Shipping Container House was the first of its kind in Buffalo, New York. The house is built using 3 shipping containers, with 2 parallel containers creating the 2-story section of the home, and a 3rd perpendicular container creating the 1-story portion of the house. A rectangular tower was constructed between the 2 masses, creating a unique L-shaped inner courtyard. The connector contains an alternating tread stairway leading to the upper of the stacked containers and the single container at the right angle to the stick-built portion, creating the L-shaped courtyard. The meandering, broken-up concrete path leads to a courtyard deck, providing an outdoor sitting area to enjoy the surrounding views. The front door of the house opens into a bright interior space that highlights the industrial edginess of the exposed interior container walls, an alternating tread stairway, and a piano. The open-plan living area comprises the contemporary kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, wooden countertops, storage cabinets, well-finished kitchen backsplash, and open shelving. The kitchen window amplifies the space and provides natural lighting to the kitchen area. The cozy dining area for 2 is adjacent to the kitchen, and a cozy living room with a small sitting corner that also doubles up as additional sleeping space graces this amazing living room. The large glass windows offer the best view from the living area, and the sun shines through the container home, brightening the space and accentuating the surrounding incredible views. The adjoining container, which also opens onto the courtyard, accommodates the laundry and a storage space. Behind the curtain is the laundry area, fitted with an enamel cast iron sink, a washer-cum-dryer, and a cherry countertop. Up the stairs is the master bedroom and a home office. The second floor has a small flexible space that accommodates a small office area overlooking the outdoors. The master bedroom is fitted with a comfortable double bed and storage shelves. The walls are painted light to make the space appear more prominent and look brighter. The house features a private, fully tiled bathroom that has a shower space, a wall-mounted toilet with a grab bar that extends the length of one wall. The bathroom also features a sink and a storage cabinet. The rectangular tower of the BlackRock house is covered with green timber siding, giving it a unique look. From outside, there's no secret that this is a shipping container house, as the grooves of the raw container walls are left exposed and painted in a shade of green, and bringing out the industrial tone of the house. This amazing container home is on the market, listed for $184,900. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Would you buy this amazing container home for $184,900? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase these and more amazing shipping container homes from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.